Hi food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be preparing authentic Nigerian ogbono soup. I'll put the ingredients of this soup in the description box below, so do well to check it out. So I just go ahead to steam my proteins. I have my cow meat and my cow skin there. So I season with some salt, some dried chili pepper and some seasoning cubes, and I just stir that very well so that the ingredients can incorporate and leave that to steam. While that is steaming, I'm going to make my ogbono paste. So all you have to do is just to mix your palm oil with your grounded ogbono. That's all. Just mix it until you get the right consistency. If the oil is not enough, you can add more because this is the only oil that you'll be using to make your soup, just like I did. So you mix thoroughly until you get your desired paste. So you go ahead to check your meat, and I added my stockfish here, and I also stirred that so that the ingredients can incorporate into the dish. I would also add more water because this is what I'm going to be using to cook. So when your water starts boiling to this point, you know that it's time to add your ogbono paste. So I just go ahead to mix in a little bit of the hot water from the pot to the ogbono so that I'll have a more smooth consistency. Then you just go into the ogbono into your pot. So I'm going to go in with my fish now because we know that fish do not take long to cook, and I do not also want it to get scattered in my soup. So I just went in with my fresh fish and my smoked fish, and I stirred that so that it can cook well. Then I go in with my crayfish and my Deli Dawa, which is my fermented Locust Beans powder. This particular spices is heaven. It is the real deal. And I go in with my seasoning cube and some chili pepper, grounded one. So you give that a good mix and allow to cook. Can you see those bubbles? Once you see those bubbles in your ogbono soup, then that's the sign that your soup is almost ready. So I just went in with my chopped okra. This is absolutely optional if you want to cook just ogbono soup. And I went in with my vegetable. I used pumpkin leaves, then my remaining crayfish just to add more flavor. And guys, our soup is ready. This soup was absolutely delicious and it has a lot of nutritional values in it. Make sure to try our recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.